Welcome to Sanyou London Private Limited, where our mission is to shape a sustainable net zero energy future with our innovative vacuum insulation energy technologies. It is located in the heart of central London, Canary Wharf. It's led by Professor Saim Memon, CEO and Industrial Professor of Renewable Energy Engineering. Building on his extensive experience and achievements, Professor Saim aims to unify academic research and development, industrial manufacturing, and product distribution in the global market. In successful partnership with the world's esteemed manufacturer and leader in vacuum insulation technologies, Jiangsu Sanyou Dior, energy-saving new materials. Together, we celebrate the UK-China collaboration, uniting in research and innovation to bring superior vacuum insulation, energy-efficient technologies to the world. This is an overview of Sanyou London, where each department is featured with its own videos and detailed information, which you can explore at sanyoulondon.com. It comprises 3 departments. Department of Industrial Research and Development in Vacuum Insulation Energy Technologies. Department of Products and Sales. In this department, we also feature separate videos and detailed descriptions for each of the 4 product categories. These product categories are Vacuum Insulated Wallpaper, VIW. MCM and Metal Type Decorative Integrated Vacuum Insulation Panel. Vacuum Insulation Panel, VIP, with flexible design options. And Vacuum Insulated Bag or Box, VIBB, comprising a vacuum insulated medical box, deep cold box rolling cart cover, and fresh bag. Department of Knowledge Exchange and Impact. Contact Professor Saim Memon or customer service team for more information, price quotation, and/or discussing your requirements. You can discover our vacuum insulation energy products, FAQs, and specifications by visiting our website, sanyoulondon.com.